What are the differences of chickens and ducks? For starters, the duck eggs will be much bigger than your chicken eggs, often being almost double the size. When it comes to eggs and being broody, chickens are also much more friendly, whereas ducks can get aggressive. Chickens are also more welcoming to newcomers, whereas ducks, even though they're friendly, they're not so happy to see new ones. If you're free-ranging your birds, chickens will rip up your garden no matter what, whereas ducks don't really rip up anything. Roosters are definitely a lot more mean than drakes. They often come after other animals or even their owners. Ducks are more hardy, where they'll be out in the most blustery, disgusting weather, while the chickens are hiding in the coop. I've also found that ducks tend to come home on their own and put themselves to bed, while the chickens, they tend to stay outside and we have to put them in every single night. Got a tree chicken up here. This is Red. She's a little funny. Let's go! There you go! Bedtime! And we have these guys together. Overall, both types of birds have their benefits and also their cons, but it is awesome having both, and I highly recommend.